Hey, welcome back to my channel, Unique World. And if you are new, make sure you tune in to this video and like and subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm just going to be doing a simple sign. A lot of people are working from home now due to COVID-19, and I want to show you how I made my sign. So this is a sign that I bought from Dollar Tree. It just says Harvest Blessings, and it's just a fall decorative sign that you place on your door. But I'm going to be transforming this into a sign that's basically saying, I work from home, don't bother me. Anyway, so first I'm going to remove the backing off of the sign. And I'm going to save this for later. And I'm going to get my paintbrush and I'm going to just paint this black. And I'll be using the Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover. I've used this in my previous video. I actually used this to paint my kitchen cabinets, and this paint is only $10. Can't beat that. Now I'm just going to let this dry, and if I need to do another coat, I'll just do another coat, but hopefully I don't have to do another coat. And I'm just going to, while this dry, I'm just going to go ahead and work on the lettering that I'll be using to cut out on the crease cut, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So this is the Cricut workspace that I will be using to do my words. If you are unfamiliar with the Cricut software, you have different functions such as you can see in my lettering, the words are spaced out. But if you understand or know how to ungroup, group, weld, and attach, then your whole Cricut process would be really smooth. And if you would like for me to show you exactly the difference between group, ungroup, weld, and attach, just let me know in the comments area, and I could do a tutorial on how to better understand those different functions within Cricut. Also, if you have not done so already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. That way you will not miss another DIY video from Unique World. So my Cricut has cut my words onto the vinyl, and now I'm just going to put the transfer tape over the vinyl, and I'm just going to press down firmly, making sure that everything is stuck onto the transfer tape. And then I'm just going to pull up the transfer tape and the vinyl, and I like doing this method to make sure that my vinyl is going all the way on the transfer tape. I use the Cricut vinyl. You can use other vinyl, but this is what I actually had on hand. And I use the transfer tape that came from Dollar Tree, and it's normally in your kitchen area as a cover. And I just use that transfer tape, and I really like that kind. Let me know what kind of transfer tape you guys prefer in the comments area. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you get your vinyl on the transfer tape. And now I'm just going to kind of make sure that my sign is good to go and it's dry. And I'm going to place this transfer tape right on top of the sign. But I'm going to make sure that I put it to where it's not crooked or anything. So I'm going to line it up nicely before I press down. And when I feel like, okay, it's nice and neat, that's when I'm going to start pressing down at the top. And then I'm going to work my way towards the bottom and making sure that it's all smooth out. Now I'm just going to slowly lift up the transfer tape, making sure that my vinyl is sticking onto my sign. And I actually used this little craft utensil that came with one of my vinyls. I can't remember which brand, but I know I got it from Amazon, and it's very helpful to make sure that I'm able to do my lettering correctly. So now we're going to use the same rope that came with the sign, and we're going to place it right back inside the hole of the sign. Now you can actually use this sign as a 2-for-1, where when you're working from home, you can place it on this side, but if you would like to keep the fall theme sign available, then you can flip it over and have that sign showing. But if you like what you see, please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you the next time for the next DIY project. Peace.